this morning, both parties fronted court and put their, stated their cases. It's just gone 5:58, and the Chief Justice has just dismissed the application for Novak Djokovic. So what does that mean? It means that the minister's decision to cancel his visa is upheld. It means that he will now be detained until he is deported. There is a brief adjournment just to see what else needs to be done by the court, just because now I guess the lawyers are going to talk about whether they can appeal, but they just had a full bench. 3 judges have stated unanimously that the minister's decision stays. They will give full written answers. We'll see their written responses to all of that in the coming days because it was an urgent. I believe that Djokovic will also have to pay costs. For once, the taxpayers got a win. That's pretty exciting. The draw for the Australian Open was held at 4 o'clock this afternoon, and Djokovic was scheduled to play on Rod Laver Arena tomorrow night after Ash Barty. I believe that now some lucky loser will get to play their first match in the Australian Open and probably first Grand Slam match on Rod Laver Arena Monday night. So that's where we go. Just to repeat, Novak Djokovic lost his bid, so first of all, the Chief Justice made one thing clear. He wanted it stated that it was not an appeal against a decision. It's what's called a judicial review. They needed to be certain that the decisions were made within the scope of the law. It is, it's a chance to review the decision by the executive. It is not to overturn a decision. From what Poppy Seeds has said, it is very, very, very rare for a minister who has personally made a decision to have it overturned. It was always going to be a long shot. It would have been unique. It would have been precedent setting. But in this case, it would seem that the minister's decision remains. So this is just a really short one just to tell you that the court dismissed Novak Djokovic's application to quash. It was rejected, and we know that it was unanimous. So all 3 judges agreed, and their written responses will be handed down probably later tomorrow. And as I said, we're just waiting to see. There's a 30-minute adjournment, so the lawyers can consult clients to see whether any further orders are made. As to when Djokovic will go home, don't know. But now he is banned from the country for 3 years. It was always going to be a long shot. So anyway, that is the news. Novak Djokovic lost his lost his application to quash the minister's decision to cancel his visa. So Novak Djokovic is now an unlawful alien in our country, and I will keep you updated with more. So bye for now, and I'll catch you again